สวัสดีค่ะ This episode is about how to make พริกแกงเขียวหวาน Thai green curry paste. Hi, welcome to Cat's Thai Kitchen. In this video, I will be sharing with you my recipe for making a green curry paste from scratch. This curry is made especially for cooking with fish and seafood. You can still use this green curry paste with other proteins as well, and if you don't add the shrimp paste in, it's then a vegetarian curry. Whether you choose to do it the old-fashioned way with a mortar and pestle or with a blender, cutting the ingredients into smaller pieces first will help the curry come together quicker. The galangal I'm using is very yellow. This is due to it's a mature galangal and has a much stronger flavor and taste. It's also the reason why I don't add the peppercorns in. This is keo that makes the curry green in color with the chlorophyll that are in the green chilies. The trick with adding a small piece of turmeric into the curry paste is because the turmeric will help to preserve the green color of the chilies that would darken naturally after it has been crushed. Here are all the ingredients prepared and ready for coming together into a paste. For making the paste, I recommend using a granite mortar and pestle because the flavors will come out much better by pounding the ingredients. If you do not have it, our solution is to use a blender instead. I don't use white peppercorns in this recipe because I prefer the heat coming from the galangal instead, especially when I'm using this very mature and yellow part of the galangal. Using a mortar and pestle to make the paste, a tip is to start pounding together the driest ingredients first. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes to pound all the ingredients into a paste. adding in the wettest ingredients at the end. The paste is finally ready. When it's stored airtight in the refrigerator, it will stay good for about 1 week. And if you freeze it, it will last much longer. This green curry goes excellent with fish. There's a traditional dish in Thailand called แกงเขียวหวานลูกชิ้น. It translates into green curry with fish balls. I hope this recipe inspired you to make your own green curry paste and cook delicious Thai food at home. Subscribe for more recipes and helpful tips and tricks, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or recipe wishes. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. ขอบคุณมากค่ะ Be sure to watch the next video about how to make แกงเขียวหวานลูกชิ้นปลา